Hey everyone! Everything you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics working here in the shop with me, so relax. We're going to fix this. If your Ford suddenly shows the message low key battery or key battery low, replace soon, don't panic. Your car is just saying, hey, the battery in your key fob is running low, so replace it soon to avoid getting locked out. It has nothing to do with the car's main battery, just the small battery that powers your fob. The first thing most mechanics recommend is replacing the key fob battery with a new one. It's usually a CR232 or similar type. Several mechanics confirm that when you put in a good quality new battery, the message disappears almost instantly and the fob works perfectly. Modern magic. Now watch out for installation. Many people make the mistake of putting the battery in backwards or leaving dirt on the metal contacts. If that happens, the warning can stay, or the fob may not work at all. Experts and experienced owners recommend gently cleaning the contacts and making sure the battery is seated properly before closing the fob. Another tip mechanics from this shop mention is to use branded batteries. Energizer, Panasonic, Duracell. Cheap generic ones may not last as long and can trigger the warning sooner than expected. A good quality battery not only lasts longer but keeps the signal strong so the car recognizes the fob reliably. In less common cases, the message can appear after a battery change or if the signal is unstable. People often fix this by holding the fob close to the car, trying it in the start slot, or even disconnecting the 12-volt battery for a minute to reset the system. This helps the car recognize the signal correctly again.